And bang! It's over. It's India who won the Asia Cup for the ninth time. It's been a thrilling final. Rinku Singh, first game of the tournament. One ball he plays, puts it away to the boundary. And a huge sigh of relief in that dugout. And have a look at Tilak Verma. He's a national hero with this kind of effort. But a match, like we mentioned, worthy of a final. Absolutely. From Winkai. So outstanding work from me. Magnificent work and winning the Asia Cup 2025. Congratulations to India. Yes, and some of the bowling choices left a lot to be desired. He went for 50 from 3.4 overs, Harris Ralph. But a good top match. And India